Hello beautiful people, and welcome to CE-5 Academy. My name is Ashley. Always a great pleasure to welcome you on this channel. I have a very exciting video for you today. We are going to be looking at a brief footage of an individual called Eddie Garcia, who filmed an amazing encounter that he had in Big Bear on the 5th of July. It's coming right up after this. I just also wanted to wish you all a very happy Harmonic Convergence Day. Today is the 14th of July, meaning that for the last 10 days, people around the world have been gathering with the intention of making peaceful ET contact. It's an initiative hosted by Mark Sims and Unify, and we've been following it for the last 10 days. It's been absolutely beautiful, and today is the pinnacle point where everybody is set to go out under the stars and initiate global contact with our brothers and sisters from the stars. I just want to remind you that tonight is a very special night for it, but so is every other night from this point on. Tonight, do put the intention if you can go out. If you can't, just remember that tomorrow, the day after, next week, next month, still holds that energy, and that the more you go out and the more you make contact, the more you're telling the world and telling our brothers and sisters in the universe that yes, you do want to make contact with our brothers and sisters for the benefit of mankind, because this is what we're all here for. We are here for universal peace, and may I remind you that universal peace is achieved through self-peace. The more you find peace within, the more you will experience peace without. Now, without further ado, here is the amazing video that I personally came across on Facebook, and he shared it on there, and I got his permission to repost this, so I just wanted to share it with you just to show you just amazing maneuverability that we can sometimes experience when doing CE-5s. Sorry, we got to cut up there. I was just saying, this is in a video just to showcase the amazing experiences that we can have while doing CE-5, but it's not limited to these experiences. I mean, even just experiencing a flash bulb or a streak across the sky is really an amazing phenomenon. So I'm not sharing this video because it's better than any other CE-5s. It just is a very interesting video that could, in my opinion, be hard to debunk. If there are any people out there that would love to debunk this video, please feel free to do so. I just did my best in terms of my logical mind to have a rationale around what that could be in terms of man-made object, but the speed that it's going at, as well as the maneuverability that it displays, is truly mind-blowing. It's a bug, and now here comes the object.
Here's another one right here.
So as you guys can see, it's a pretty luminous object, and the flight path and trajectory, just keep an eye on that, as well as the speed.
You see him? Flying right over our heads.
That's pretty fast.
Pointing it right at him.
And now watch this.
And now he's turning.
Ooh,
yeah.
Flashed.
Yeah, you see him?
Yeah, it just flashed.
I'm
My friends, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for being here. Continue to do CE-5. We are day by day, month by month, and year by year adding our collective energy to this incredible global movement. And the more we do this, may I remind you that the more we vote for this world. So thank you very much for being here once again. Please feel free to subscribe, click like on this video if you like it, share it with your friends and family, and I look forward to interacting with you guys again very, very soon. My sincere love to each and every one of you. Blessings.